well, you're not seeing the picture?
No, this is animal news. Unfortunately.
Here, give me the tiger.
You need some more.
No, don't do that.